So tariffs are creating uncertainty about pricing, and Windows 10 is creating pressure to replace a bunch of laptops that maybe weren't going to plan to be replaced this year. So we have this huge sudden demand and this huge sudden uncertainty. And now my clients are saying, well, should I wait or should I buy now? And the problem is, I don't know.
Right. Pricing has increased. We don't know if it'll increase more or if it'll go back down. But at the end of the day, the numbers shouldn't dictate what's important to the business. I mean, $100 increase on a price isn't going to make a huge difference in a 5-year life of a computer. And so, like the stock market, don't try and time it. Do what's right for the business. Stay ahead of the Windows 10 end of life. And as we learn more, we're going to continue to communicate with our customers of what's going on with pricing.
Yeah. It might be a different answer for every company to buy now or wait now, but ultimately don't get caught on Windows 10 after October 2025.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.